more torrential rain expected in Shikoku. Weather officials warn there is a very high risk of floods and landslides in the Shikoku region of western Japan as torrential rain will continue until Monday. The meteorological agency says a tropical storm off South Korea's western coast is causing damp air to move into western Japan from the Pacific. 101 millimeters of rain fell between 9 and 10 a.m. on Sunday in Tosa Town, Koki Prefecture. The rainfall over a 24-hour period exceeded 600 millimeters in Koki, and is the heaviest on record for the area. The total rainfall since Friday has topped 1,000 millimeters in some parts of Koki and 600 millimeters in adjacent Tokushima Prefecture. The agency says the risk of overflowing rivers is extremely high in some parts of Tokushima.